teachers, dear respected board members, dear students and dear parents. It is a great pleasure for me to welcome you back to the European Azerbaijan School in the education year of 2021 and 2022. And it is an honor for me to announce this fantastic event open.
The director of our school, Francesco Banchini, is invited to the stage for the first speech.
Salam. Necəsiniz? How are you today? Just good? No Ella? No super? Oh. Super. Okay, thank you. This is a fantastic day. So we are back finally from summer holidays. Thank you. It's a fantastic opportunity for us to be back, and I'm happy to see a lot of faces. You come from grade 4 now to grade 5. This is a great opportunity to see you all together. And allow me to say a few words. Thank you.
Her birlikte sağlamlarım. Bugünleri burada hoş günde birlikte olmamız için çok şadım. Şagirdlerimize bakmak istiyorum. Onların çok önemli sınıfta bizlerden olurlar. İndi 5. sınıfta gelirler. İndi etikle sizin karşınızda çıkış edeceğim.
I would like to welcome all members of the European Azerbaijan School to the new academic year 21-22. I welcome parents, teachers, admin staff, members from the Board of Trustees, and most importantly, our students. I'm looking forward to work with all of you this academic year. We are a strong community which we support each other.
Bugün yılı 2021-2022 derslerin açılış mərasimindeyiz ve ben bu münasibətle valideynləri, ən əsas şagirdlərimizi, idarə heyətinin üzvlərini və müəllimlərimizi, ümumilikdə isə məktəb icmamızı təbrik edirəm. Ümid edirəm ki, ilərisində birlikdə çox yaxşı fəaliyyət göstərəcəyik.
These are unusual times in which I speak to you. So, given the global pandemic, because we're still in a pandemic situation, some people are saying that the pandemic situation is over, but we are still, so we need to look after each other. We need to look to create a safe community where all our students, all our community is safe.
Bildiğiniz gibi pandemiye hələ də devam edir. Buna görə də biz hər birimiz çalışmalı və məktəbdə şagirdlərimiz üçün təhlükəsiz bir ilik yaratmalıyıq.
In our team this academic year we have a number of new staff members coming from both Azerbaijan and international, and I would like to welcome them for what I feel a very special school in a beautiful setting, in a beautiful country like Azerbaijan. So I would like to welcome all the new staff, all the new teachers and all the new parents to EAS.
Məktəbimizə bu il yeni işçiliyə qoşulmuşdur. Bunlara həm xarici əməkdaşlar, həm də yerli əməkdaşlar daxildir. Biz onların hər birisini salamlayırıq, hər birisinə xoş gəldiniz. Ümid edirik ki, onlarla birlikdə komandamız çox gözəl bir şəkildə bu dərs ilində fəaliyyət göstərəcəkdir.
I also would like to thank the Board of Trustees because they support us, and especially our founder, who was an IB student. So he developed the school with a mindset, with a vision of creating opportunities for international students, but also for Azerbaijan students. So I can proudly say that we are European Azerbaijan School. We are leading the IB education and IB learning journey here in Azerbaijan.
Məktəbimiz adına mən çox idarə heyətinə təşəkkür edirəm, məktəbin himayədarlar şurasına, həmçinin təsisçimizə. Təsisçimiz özü də beynəlxalq bakalavriyat proqramı əsasında təhsil almışdır və məhz bu məktəbi də bu proqram əsasında təhsil vermək üçün yaratmışdır. Bizim məktəb, bildiyiniz kimi, beynəlxalq bakalavriyat diplom proqramını təmin edir şagirdlər üçün, həmçinin IB-nin digər 3 programı da burada tədris olunur.
We achieved 100% pass rate with the last graduates, and we are really, really proud of their future careers. So I will finish shortly saying thank you very much, the parents, for being here. Thank you very much for the Board of Trustees. Thank you very much for our colleagues, and especially our students. So good luck for the next academic year. Çok sağ olun. Enjoy your day.
Student of Charles University. First of all, I would like to wish you all a happy new academic year. I hope this year will be lucky for you. You will be lucky this year and you will achieve your dreams. I am here to share a few tips with you. First of all, I want to believe that hard work pays off. I see that in myself. I mean, I studied during the last 2 years. I studied all day long. I was trying so hard, and at the end, it really paid off. I got 40 from IB and accepted to one of the best medical universities in Europe, Charles University, and I'm really proud of myself. And I hope at the end of this year, at the end of this academic year, you will be proud of yourself as well. You will have the courage to look forward and achieve your dreams, achieve your goals. Good luck to all of you, and have a nice first day of school.
Yeah.
You have changed your education program. You were primary students and you were in primary school. Now you are NYP students and you are in the secondary campus. So this is a new opportunity for you. Okay, are you listening? So as IB students, we know that listening is the best thing that we can have. It is self-respect and respect to others. Thank you very much. So we welcome you to the secondary campus. We wish you a very, very successful year, and we believe that the achievements you have as well, because you have started a new chapter in your life. The name of this chapter is NYP chapter. So, another chapter is DP chapter. Today we also have grade 11 students. So we have made this event, 3 times today. As Mr. Francesco mentioned, pandemic is not over yet. So we are still in the pandemic circumstances. So we decided to host this event 3 times to protect you, to care about your well-being. And the last event of this opening ceremony, we decided to bring together the ones who come to this campus for the first time, for this opening, and for the ones we still need to learn from this one, right? Yeah? Okay. And the ones for whom it is the last time of the opening ceremony. So we wish best of luck to grade 11 students as well. I believe that you listen to language very carefully and you learn from your experiences how to time manage effectively so that you do not overwhelm throughout the year. We wish best of luck to you, and with a great pleasure and with a great honor. So I invite the youngest honors, the youngest community members of the secondary campus, grade 5 students, to the stage, please.